If you already have a flat tummy and you just want to gain weight the right way, it's very simple. Step number 1, estimate your maintenance calories. Take your weight in kgs and multiply by 30, 31, 32, or 33, depending on your level of activity. If you are very active, use 33. If you're not active at all, use 30. Remember, these are just estimations. They are not accurate, and they do not need to be accurate. You just need a number to work with. If that number is not working, you can always add or minus some calories. Step number 2, calculate a caloric surplus. Anywhere between 10 to 20% of your maintenance calories is a good starting point. Step number 3, set up your protein. Aim for about 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kg. Since you will be bulking, you can go with the lower end, because when you're bulking, you do not need as much protein as when you're cutting. Step number 4, start working out with heavy weights. Focus on compound movements, and your goal should be to get strong in a medium rep range. That is anywhere between 4 to 12 reps per set. Anytime you plateau, that means you stop gaining weight or you stop gaining strength. Just increase your calories by about 5%. For men, keep going until you are about 16 to 18 body fat percentage. For girls, keep going until you are about 24 to 26% body fat. Then cut back to about 10% body fat for men and about 19 body fat percent for women. And repeat the same process over and over until you get the physique you want.